Hello, dear friends. I'm thrilled to be here with you again. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and perhaps even controversial topics in social psychology: pretend to be naive. At first glance, this idea might sound strange. Naive? How could such a thing lead to success in your personal or professional life? Does this mean faking ignorance? Can this strategy improve your relationships, or could it make others underestimate you? In a world where everyone is striving to appear smarter, more skilled, and superior to others, you can stand out by adopting an entirely different approach. This strategy, seemingly simple, is one of the most effective ways to engage with others. If you truly understand its principles, you can build deeper relationships, gain trust, and even achieve more success in your career and personal life. Why pretend to be naive? In many situations, playing it simple is a powerful tactic. This behavior not only lowers the defensive barriers of others, but also grants you access to more information, opportunities, and trust. When you pretend not to know much about a topic, people naturally feel compelled to share more information with you, sometimes even revealing details they wouldn't normally disclose. Additionally, feigned naivety allows others to feel superior. This sense of superiority motivates them to collaborate with you or even support your ideas. Is pretending to be naive unethical? Some may question whether this behavior is deceptive. The answer is no. This strategy doesn't involve lying or tricking others. Instead, it's about creating opportunities for learning and meaningful interaction. You can still remain honest while using smart techniques to build more effective relationships. The psychology behind feigned naivety. The Dunning-Kruger effect. Why simplicity works. The Dunning-Kruger effect is one of the most critical concepts explaining why pretending to be naive works so well. According to this effect, individuals with less knowledge or experience tend to overestimate their abilities. Conversely, more experienced individuals often underestimate their own knowledge. Now imagine you're in a meeting and act as though you don't know much about the topic. This behavior encourages others, especially those who see themselves as more knowledgeable, to share more information with you. They may even disclose details they'd usually keep private. Why people trust the simple? Trust is one of the pillars of human relationships. When you present yourself as vulnerable and simple, others feel there's no threat from you. This quickly breaks down their defensive walls, making it easier to connect with them. Playing with the human desire for superiority. Humans naturally love to feel superior. If you feed this feeling, you can use it to your advantage. Pretending to be naive does exactly that. It gives others a sense of value and importance, encouraging them to engage and cooperate with you. Why feigned naivety is so effective. Lowering defensive barriers. Defensive walls are subconscious barriers people put up against those they perceive as threats. However, when you present yourself as naive, these walls quickly crumble, encouraging empathy. When you act like you need someone's help, it triggers their empathy. This emotion can work in your favor in many situations, gaining cooperation and support. Those who seem naive often receive more attention and cooperation from others. This support could include sharing information, offering assistance, or even backing your ideas. Practical techniques for feigned naivety. Now that we understand the psychological principles behind this strategy, let's explore the practical techniques you can use starting today in your everyday life or work. Use the right body language. Curious eyes. When talking to someone, maintain direct, curious eye contact to show your interest in learning. Relaxed facial expressions. Smile gently and use friendly facial cues to convey openness. Ask simple questions. One of the best ways to appear naive is to ask straightforward, open-ended questions. Not only will this provide you with more information, but it will also make the other person feel valued. Show a willingness to learn. Even if you're an expert in a field, always act as though you're eager to learn more. This behavior encourages others to share their knowledge freely. Practice in different scenarios. Try these techniques in various settings. At work, speak to managers or colleagues in a way that makes them feel their expertise is appreciated. In social settings, ask simple questions to encourage others to share their thoughts and stories. Real-life and historical examples of the power of feigned naivety. This technique has been used throughout history. Successful individuals in politics, business, and even art have relied on it to gain trust and access valuable information. Example: a professional negotiator once shared how they pretended not to understand certain industry jargon during a meeting with a competitor. This made the competitor feel superior and inadvertently reveal crucial details about their strategy. When not to use this technique. While this strategy is powerful, there are situations where it's better not to use it. For example, when you need to establish yourself as an expert or authority, when your credibility is on the line. Pretending to be naive is a powerful psychological tool. When used skillfully and appropriately, it can strengthen your relationships and open doors to greater opportunities. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to hear your feedback.